mine for Chicken Curry white sauce for noodles, any type of noodles. I hope you will like it. Now here are the ingredients. 1 small onion chopped, and 1 piece garlic also chopped. Now half glass of water will be sprinkled with black pepper. 1 glass of heifer or oatmeal cream, or 255 grams of oatmeal cream, 18 grams of curry powder, 3 cups of fusilli noodles or 186 grams, 2 teaspoons of salt, 500 grams of Putten turkey, or you can use chicken also, and chopped 3 small pieces of carrots. First, boil the noodles for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's cooked. Now after the noodles are cooked, let's set it aside and let's start with the sauce. Now make this one hot. The pan must be hot. And then let's spread a little bit olive oil. You can use any other oil, but I like olive oil. You can use coconut oil also if it is nice. This one is curry, so coconut oil is mostly good for this. Now put garlic. And then the onion. Try this one first. Don't overcook. And then carrots, because this one needs a little bit crunchiness. Let it fry for a little bit. Okay, this one will blend all the taste. Now we put the chicken. I use the breast. You can use your chicken breast. Chop it. Let it fry, and now you can see it's now the right time to put the sauce, the oatmeal. So it's creamy, so we need to put the water. Put it like this. Mix it, so you will get the rest of the creaminess. Okay. And now You can put also the two teaspoons of salt. Add it. And then sprinkle black pepper. Make it little touch of pepper. Make it a little bit higher, so it will be boiled. Now, when the creamy is boiling already, as you can see, we will put now the curry. I don't want the curry to be overcooked because it will be more spicy. I don't like it too much, so I always put it last. Mix it properly so the curry will blend. Okay. Now let it boil for a while. Now, after boiling the creamy sauce for the noodles, the curry, now I will mix now the noodles because this one is cold already. Now, as you can see, I need to mix it. Give it a little bit more longer so the noodles will be hot. As you can see, it's nice already. And that's it.